So this is my first vlogging effort. Hopefully you enjoy it. Very new to it. I guess I'm what you call a middle-aged beginner. Middle-aged virgin perhaps. Anyway, we're out and about. Let's see how I go. So the joy of a wildlife bird photographer is enjoying what you can see. At the moment I can't see anything. I can hear something. Oh, there's a fairy wren down there. Not sure you can see it, but shooting into the sun is not the way to go, so I'll keep going. Like, what is actually wrong with these kids that they can't put this away in the bush? And it's trekking through this stuff that really gives my phobia of snakes a good run. Yep, Australian bushland, definitely snakes in here. Not a massive fan, but you've got to do what you've got to do. So beware of the danger noodle. The wood bird's in there somewhere, I just can't see it. Oh, there he is. I can see him. Just can't get a photo. He's beautiful. And now it's starting to rain. What a beautiful night. There he is. Hopefully you just saw it. Well, very quiet day. I guess I failed on my first vlog, but never mind. The middle-aged vlog virgin has broken his cherry, and hopefully we'll score some better footage next time. Anyway, it is so beautiful in here. There's not much else you can say, except I wish there were some birds today. But that is what we get, and I hope to see you guys next week.